we're going to explore how to replace multiple characters in a string within Python. There are several ways to achieve this, and we'll cover a few of the most efficient and readable methods. 1. Using replace multiple times. The simplest approach, especially for a small number of replacements, involves using the built-in replace method repeatedly. Each call to replace targets a specific character. For example, if you want to replace A with A, E with E, and I with I in the string, this is a test string. You would do it like this. String E stall. This is a test string. String E string. Replace A, A. String E string. Replace E, E. String E string. Replace II. This produces the output, this is a test string. While straightforward, this method becomes cumbersome when dealing with many replacements. 2. Using a loop and replace. For a more manageable solution with numerous replacements, you can iterate through a dictionary where keys represent the characters to be replaced and values are their replacements. Consider a dictionary like this. Replacements equals A, E, E, I. You would then loop through this dictionary, applying the replace Bowis method for each key value pair. Code would look something like this. For char, replacement in replacements items, string equals to string, replace, char, replacement. This approach is more efficient and scalable than repeated individual replace via calls. B. Using translate for optimal performance. For replacing many characters, the translate method offers the best performance. This method requires creating a translation table using strmake_trans_. You provide strmake_trans_, with 3 arguments: a string of characters to replace, a string of replacement characters, same length, and optionally, a string of characters to delete. Instance, to achieve the same replacements as before, you do this. Translation table equals star, make trans AI, string equals string. Translate translation table. This is generally the fastest and most Pythonic way to perform multiple character replacements, especially when dealing with large strings or many substitutions. The translate method avoids the repeated string concatenations inherent in the loop approach, making it considerably faster for extensive replacement operations. In summary, replacing multiple characters in a string in Python can be achieved using multiple replace them calls, a loop combined with replace, or the highly efficient translate method with strmake_trans. The best choice depends on the number of replacements and the size of the string. For small tasks, multiple replace calls suffice, but for larger scale replacements or performance-critical scenarios, translate is strongly recommended. Output string after applying any of these methods to the initial string, this is a test string. With the given replacements will always be, this is a test string.